Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best built gaming PC currently available. The CyberPowerPC Gamer Master, featuring the powerful AMD Ryzen 7 8700F processor paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 graphics card. This is a system designed to deliver high-end performance for gamers and creators alike, and we're going to break down exactly why it stands out. At the heart of this PC is the AMD Ryzen 7 8700F processor, boasting 8 cores and a clock speed of up to 4.1 GHz. This gives you plenty of multi-threaded muscle for gaming, streaming, and productivity tasks without breaking a sweat. Complementing the CPU is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 with 8 GB of dedicated GDDR6 memory. This graphics card is perfect for running modern AAA titles at high settings with smooth frame rates, and it also supports ray tracing and DLSS technology to enhance visual fidelity and performance. The system comes equipped with 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, which is the latest and fastest generation of memory, ensuring quick load times and smooth multitasking. Storage is no slouch either. You get a 1TB PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD. This means lightning-fast boot times, rapid game loading, and ample space for your library of games, applications, and media. When it comes to connectivity, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Master has a robust set of options. There are 5 USB 3.1 ports and 4 USB 2.0 ports, giving you plenty of room to plug in your peripherals, controllers, and external drives. It includes a 1 gigabit LAN port for stable wired internet and Wi-Fi 5 support for wireless connectivity, alongside Bluetooth 4.2 for seamless connection to headphones, keyboards, and other devices. For display outputs, you'll find 1 HDMI port and 2 display ports, allowing you to set up multiple monitors or high refresh rate gaming displays easily. The PC is housed in a sleek case with a tempered glass side panel, allowing you to show off the custom RGB lighting inside. This adds a modern aesthetic that gamers love, while also offering good airflow to keep the components cool during intense gaming sessions. Windows 11 Home comes pre-installed, providing the latest operating system with gaming optimizations and support for DirectX 12 Ultimate. CyberPowerPC backs this build with a 1-year parts and labor warranty, plus free lifetime tech support, which adds peace of mind to your investment. All things considered, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Master with Ryzen 7 8700F and RTX 4060 offers a fantastic balance of power, speed, and connectivity. It's tailored for gamers who want to experience high-quality graphics without overspending on flagship models, and for creators who need reliable processing power and fast storage. Whether you're jumping into the latest games or handling demanding creative workloads, this build is ready to deliver. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in a gaming PC that packs a punch with modern specs and stylish design, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Master is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more detailed reviews. See you in the next video.